Alright guys, I'm finished now with my sign. I had this sign already and I was just wanting to change it up and do something different with it. It was cute the way it was, but I was just actually wanting to do a sign like this for my nesting box. So it worked out perfect to be the right size and everything that I needed. So I went ahead and just painted it white using my white chalk paint, linen white from Home Depot. And then I let that dry, and then I just distressed it with my sanding block that I have from the Dollar Tree. And I just lightly sanded it and distressing it just a little bit on the edges and on the detail of right here on this detail. And then I took a pencil and drew out what I wanted it to say. And so I drew out 3 French hens. And then I just took my Sharpie black paint marker, and it's a little blurry, sorry. And so then I just went over my pencil with that Sharpie marker, and I'm happy with the way it turned out. It was a quick little simple little easy DIY project, and I'm going to be putting it by my little nesting box. And I think it's going to be really cute. So I will show you where this ends up and how cute it will look by my little hens. So see you next time, friends. Bye.